Outstanding design defines the 2011 Ford Ranger. This two-door, three-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Ford prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Come on in and take a test drive.